It's getting colder and colder.
I agree. Hey, don't forget to turn on the heater on my cage at night.
Okay. Is someone gossiping about me?
There's probably talking about your bad behaviors.
Oh no.
By the way, many English-speaking people say, bless you, when the person they are talking to sneezes, right? I wonder why.
I've learned that in English class, but I don't think many people know why.
Also, some English speakers may not know how to react to a Japanese person sneezing.
You're right. So today, let's talk about how to react to sneezing. First of all, in English-speaking cultures, the phrase bless you that people say when you sneeze is an abbreviation for God bless you.
I think it's a bit exaggerated to say God bless you even though you just sneezed.
According to one theory, this custom began in the Black Plague, which repeatedly struck Europe in the Middle Ages and claimed tens of millions of lives. It was feared and called the Black Death because when infected, black spots spread throughout the body and lead to death.
That's horrible! At that time, the sanitary environment was probably not very good, and people were also influenced by superstitions and rumors.
True. Fake news always appears when a disaster or epidemic spreads around the world. Actually, there was a rumor going around at the time that the Jews had poisoned the well, and they were persecuted for a long time.
This kind of false information culture hasn't changed in generations.
Let us learn from the past and be wise. When the deadly plague broke out in the 6th century, the Pope of Rome ordered people to pray to God constantly. May the person who sneezes be blessed immediately.
So people who had the plague probably sneezed a lot.
Yes, apparently sneeze was one of the early symptoms of the disease. In the 8th century, it became customary to say God bless you if you sneezed even once.
I see. Nowadays, we have antibiotics, so we don't have to worry about it. But back then, people could not do nothing but pray.
We can feel the honest wishes of the people during those times when they were surrounded by dying people and the fear of the epidemic.
I got it. So bless you. It's very natural to respond with thank you.
That's right.
By the way, people in Japan have a different reaction to sneezing.
Yes, here are 3 ways you should react when someone sneezes. Number 1. 誰か噂してるのかな? Is someone talking about me? Is someone spreading rumors about me?
What does this mean?
It's kind of a joke. A long time ago, it was believed that sneezing was caused by mysterious invisible forces or the thoughts of others. In the Manyoshu, a collection of poems written over 1,000 years ago, it is written that I sneeze repeatedly because my beloved wife thinks of me. That gradually turned into the idea of someone spreading rumors about you. Sneezing can be a bit embarrassing because you can't control it. By blaming someone else for your sneeze, you can make the situation go away, and it is a more gentle response for the people around you. Number 2. 失礼しました. Excuse me? Oh, how rude of me.
This is good etiquette, isn't it?
Yes, if you sneeze while someone is talking, apologize for interrupting them. 失礼しました is often used in business situations, such as during meetings. If it's a cultural occasion, it's okay to say ごめんなさい Sorry. Number 3. 大丈夫? Are you okay? You good? This is simple. This is a word used to show concern for someone who may have a cold. The number of people who sneeze increases not only in the winter when colds are prevalent, but also in the early spring when pollen is in the air. 大丈夫ですか? Or 大丈夫? This expression of concern for the other person is a bit similar to the English phrase Bless you's purpose.
I see. I can understand cultures just by observing responses to sneezing.
What happened?
I heard a sneeze coming from the kitchen.
Ah!
Hamtaro is covered in the pepper all over.
You were stealing food again, right?